Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby. For short, you can call me Ruby. But my YouTube name is Ruby Beautiful Natural Makeup. So it is so hot, you guys. I don't know. This weather is really it is so hot here. I can't even sleep at night because of the heat. Now in my apartment we cannot use air conditioner at the window in the summer, so I just use a fan in my room. So right now I have to be using the air conditioner and the fan in the living room together to get me cooled down. So today I am going to talk about this hair, you guys, this braid. It is a month now since I have this braid done in Jamaica. This braid is still intact. You can see it here, it is still intact, you guys. It's still very neat. The only thing about my braid that you can see that it is growing out up here, but it is still intact. So I get up in the morning this morning and I decide to wash the braid because it was really itching me a lot. So I get up and I wash the braid because I put a lot of product in this braid to keep it intact. One of my product that I use, and one of my herbs anyway that I use in my hair, is the clove. So this is a spice, you guys, and this thing is very strong. You can get this at the dollar store, you can get it at the supermarket, you can get it at the health food store, you can get it most of the West Indies store that you go. This is something that I would use to cook when I'm doing like a stewed chicken. I will put a small amount in it. If I'm doing turkey or roast beef or something, I'll put it in it. This is something also good for toothache, and this is really like a miracle thing. Yesterday I blend some of this in something I have there just to grind it up, and let me tell you something, I have to soak that thing from yesterday until this morning for me to get out the stain that was left in it. This is also good for drinking. So you know, I'm just saying just a couple of things that I know about this. So I use this, and then I use the other one. I also use, which I always have this in my house, I have the green one and I have the dry one. This is the rosemary leaf, and this is something that I also use in my hairspray to spray my hair each day. I don't do it like 1 or 2 times a day. I do it like a week. I do it like every day, like mostly 5 days a week. I put this spray in my hair. So this is a spray, you guys. So this is the spray that I use, and what I do, I will just put this in some water and make it stay there for a while and draw, and then I will strain it out in this. And after you finish, you don't have to throw away the thing that you use. You can put more water in it because this is very strong, and you can also reuse it. So that's what I do, and have been using this in my hair for about a month now. And look at my hair. My hair is growing out up here, but it's not really bad. It still look nice. So what I will do, I will get up into it and I will spray it. I will just spray it, and then I massage it in my scalp like this, you guys, to keep my hair. So I do this like once a day, just once a day, and then I massage my scalp with this thing. There's a little bit of peppermint oil also in this to keep it preserved so that it don't go bad on you. So this is something that I would use. This is the clove and the rosemary leaf together in the spray bottle. This is something that I have been using in my braid since I got back from Jamaica. And then this one is the clove, fenugreek, and black seed water. So this is something also that I have been spritzing in my hair also. So what I do, I spray these in my hair first, and then I massage my hair through and through like this. I just use my finger here and I massage it in my hair, and then I just keep it there for a while. And then, you know, at night when I'm going to bed, I'll put on a silk bonnet on my head to keep my braid. So this is how my braid look, you guys. It's really looking nice. I think I'm gonna keep in this braid maybe for 2 or 3 months. So if I am going to use some moisturizer cream in my hair, I go with the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Scalp Refresh. I have the whole thing here, but I mostly use this one here, and this is something that I would use, like I would put it here and here, and then I would use some oil after to just, you know, keep the braid intact. So then I'll mostly use it on this part where the curl is on my hair. I would mostly use it here, and then, you know, leave it there. Now I have been using this peppermint oil. I have finished one bottle and I went back and pick up another one because I love this, you guys. This really nice. The scent is amazing and it have this really nice feeling to your hair. These are just $3 something in the beauty supply. So this is something that I have been using in my hair also after I split my hair and put in the thing there. So I also have this that I show you from Jamaica the other day. It's almost finished. Is the Double Sheen Shea Butter Natural Hair Nourishing Oil. This is just a small amount, maybe this amount leaving there. I like to put it through my hair. So what I would do, I would just use it with the tip here, and then I'll go through my hair like this, and then, you know, after I go through, I just massage the scalp with my finger here, and I just leave it. Now my hair is so neat, you guys. I don't know, I mean, this is the first time I had get a braid done, and it's so neat, and it's a month now. It is still neat. I don't have any problem with it, and I've been in this hair like every day. What I end up picked up, I also end up picked up the Wild Growth Hair Oil. This is one of my favorite products that I use, and I get results from it. And I always try to have one. I thought I have one the other day when I get back from Jamaica, maybe half or so, but I did not. So I picked up this, which I am also going to use in my hair regime. So I'm gonna use this in my hair, also in the braid, you know, to make sure that, because I don't want my braid to be dry, because when your braid dry, it's not good. So the more moisturized your braid get, it is better for you when you have it in a braid. And as for me, I can keep in this maybe about 3 months because it's still neat. You can see it's really still neat, you guys. And if I'm going out and I really need a edge control, you guys, I go with this one, Play and Stay Argan one here. It is a clear gel. I use this in my hair, like if I'm going out and I need to, I'm not saying baby hair because I don't have baby hair, you know. I think I just put it right here and make sure that, you know, I use my brush. I had a brush here, and I would use the brush to make sure that I brushed in this thing that I put. So I use it on the side of my hair, the two side, and I also use it in the front here to catch up the hair that I have here, that unwanted hair that I don't really need for anybody to see. But this is the things that I use in my braid to take care of my braid, so my braid can keep really neat and nice. And as you can see, my braid is still nice, it is still neat. Oh God, you guys, I washed it this morning, and let me tell you something. After finish washing it this morning, it take a while for me to get it dry. Although it still haven't dry, but it is okay. I use a dryer to blow dry the end of it, but I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I know between now and nightfall it will be dry. So guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell, and when I upload a video you can be notified. I want to say thank you so much. God bless you, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Ciao.